Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful holiday. Thanks for joining me for a quick CVS haul video. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let's go grab some amazing deals. The first deal I picked up is on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $7 back. What I did was pick up two of the Colgate Max Fresh, and both totaled me $7.98. I went on Colgate website and I printed out two coupons, two $1 coupons that I'll use with this deal. And that will take off $2 and drop it down to $5.98, and I'll get $7 back, making them free and $1.02 money maker. I did this deal by itself. The two coupons are applied. I ended up using $5 extra care box, paid 98 cents out of pocket, and I got back $7, making them free and $1.02 money maker. The next transaction I picked up will be on Eucerin lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and this deal includes the Nivea lotion in case you have the Ibotta rebate, but I checked mine, I don't have it, so I'll be picking up the Eucerin lotion. I'm going to get 3 5-ounce intensive repair lotion, priced at $7.49 here. On the app, it says $6.99, so I'm going to ask them to adjust the price. And with the $6.99 price, these three will total $20.97. I have 3 $2 off Eucerin tear pad that I'll use with this deal. And I also have a 3 off 15 lotion CRT that will also apply. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $9 and drop it down to $11.97, and I'll get $10 back. I will also submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means I'll get $3 back from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these three will end up free and $1.03 money maker. I checked out this deal by itself. I'm doing multiple transactions, that way I can roll my extra care box. And my 3 coupons are applied. The 3 off 15 also came off as well. I used $7 extra care box, paid $4.97 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $10. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $3. That's $1 for each lotion. This ended up free and $1.03 money maker. The next item I picked up will just make a good stocking stuffer, and that will be on Perfect Scents. They're on sale for $6.99, but they're originally priced at $12.49. If you have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT and you need a filler item, this would make a good one. I used $6 extra care box for this deal, and 6 cents out of the 2% we normally get back with every purchase we made. Pay just 93 cents out of pocket. The next transaction I'm going to do will be on the OGX hair care and the Neutrogena facial care. I plan on doing the Activate reward, but I'm going to explain them by itself in case someone wants to do them alone and they don't plan on doing the Activate reward. Let me start with the OGX. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. My store is still wiped out from the last time they had it on sale for $6.99. So right now they have 2 conditioners. One is priced at $10.99 and the second one is priced at $9.29. Since it's buy one get one half off, the cheaper priced one will be the half off, and that will be the $9.29. The new price will be $4.65. This two is going to total $15.64. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.64, and I'll get $4 back, making them just $5.64 or $2.82 each. The next one is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. The easiest way to do this deal is to pick up the Hydro Boost water gel priced at $25.99. We have a $5 digital coupon, and I also have a 5 off 20 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT. Both will take off $10 and drop it down to $15.99, and you get 10 back, making it just $5.99. This is going to be my Activate reward deal: 2 OGX hair care and 1 Neutrogena facial care. These 3 items will total $41.63. I have a 5 off 20 purchase CRT I got from pharmacy that we use with this transaction. I'm using 2 threshold CRTs in this transaction, and the rule with using 2 threshold CRTs, in case you've not used it before, you have to meet the total amount of all the CRTs you're using. And in this case, all I have to meet is $40. And the rest of the coupons and CRTs I need for this transaction is 5 off Neutrogena digital coupon, 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT, and a 6 off 2 OGX digital coupon. That will take off $21 and drop it down to $20.63, and I'll get back $10 for the Neutrogena deal and $4 back for the OGX deal. I will submit my receipt to activate reward, and I'll get back $20 for spending $40, which will make this transaction free and $13.37 moneymaker. This transaction worked out very well. My 6 off 2 came off. The $5 digital coupon for the Neutrogena also came off as well. And the third one is the 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. That one applied. The one that says CVS coupon is the 5 off 20 coupon I got from CVS Pharmacy. I ended up using $15 extra care box. And the last $2 extra care box is reward from pharmacy. You get $2 back for every 4 prescriptions. I ended up paying $1.62 out of pocket plus tax, and I got $10 back for the Neutrogena deal and $4 back for the OGX deal. I submitted my receipt to activate reward. I'm still waiting on that for a $20 back for spending $40. For me, this transaction is a little bit different since I used those $4 extra care box that wasn't actually my extra care box. This ended up free for me and $17.37 moneymaker. But if you're using your own money and extra care box to pay for this transaction, this will be a $13.37 moneymaker. And that's an amazing deal. The last transaction I have in this video, I almost didn't share it because I can't find my receipt. And I'm showing it last just because of that. And that will be on Colgate Total. On the deal of buy 2 get $6 back. Pick up 1 Colgate Total toothpaste, priced at $6.29. And Maybelline Cosmetics is part of this deal. Pick up 1 of the single eyeshadows, priced at $5.29. These 2 items will total $11.58. And the good thing about this transaction is that you don't need any paper coupon. For the Maybelline eyeshadow, we have a $3 digital coupon. And for the Colgate toothpaste, we have a $2 digital coupon. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $6.58. Pay that and you get $6 back. And that will make them just 58 cents or 29 cents each. I am sorry that I'm not able to show the receipt for this deal, but I believe it's a very simple transaction. Everything is already in the app. Just make sure you're scanning the product and you're adding the coupon to the app. That way when you check out, it will come off. And this concludes my video for today. Thanks for watching and thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.